ProMAX MediaHub, professional creative workflows, any location, any OS, any internet speed. If you're part of a creative team with remote users, you likely get slowed down dealing with uploads, downloads, and managing data spread across multiple locations. Not only is this a hassle, but it gets in the way of collaboration and ultimately your creative process.
You already know your ideal workflow because you've been using it for years. You've got to have a ton of performance to work on big projects. You need to be able to collaborate without wasting time messing with data. And when you need a file, you can't be waiting for a big upload or download to get started. This is all pretty easy to do if you go into an office, but for many of us, that's just not the case moving forward. So how do you do this when the tools that you have aren't quite cutting it? That's where MediaHub comes in.
MediaHub is a small desktop server that puts high-performance storage into each of your creative users' homes. Data is replicated to each MediaHub in your team, pushing and pulling updates automatically. Because you're not relying on cloud storage or virtual private networks, you can move files faster than almost any other method. All you have to do is connect to your MediaHub and work with the same file and folder structure that you're already used to. MediaHub makes sure everyone on your team has up-to-date projects so that you can focus on creativity. This all works exactly the same at home or at the office, on Mac or PC workstations. And because you're working on local SSD storage, you don't need to worry about spotty internet. MediaHub gives your team the seamless collaboration that you're used to.
MediaHub comes in a variety of sizes. You can choose to provide your own external storage or get SSD storage built directly into yours. It works equally well with or without a shared storage server, and whether you have an office or not. Check out our design videos to configure your MediaHub workgroup today. I hope this was helpful. To learn more about how MediaHub works in your environment, check out our design guide videos using the links below. If you still have some questions, feel free to hit us up on chat or book some time with us at promax.com/questions.